Enkosi kakhulu ngokuhlala nathi apha e-SABC lihaye. Kanti ngoku mbukeli sawutshintsha ikhasi ngoku sijonge indaba ezichulumancisayo. Samkele umlingisi ophume izandla kwinkqubo ye-Skeem Saam. Uvele Manenje uphumelele imbasa kwi-SAFTAs 19 ye-Best Supporting Actress kwi-TV soap. Ungomnye ke wabantu abanetalente abathi intsika ibangwa ngumthwalo. Bahlale ke besisela amabali anika umdla kumabonakude wethu umhla nezolo. Siyazinca ke ngokuba naye namhlanje ukuze ke asabele ngamava wakhe. Siyavuyisana nawe vele sikubulise sikwamkele
Ndimachero niyabudhi uri novwana.
Oh, sivukile namhlanje ndovuwa. Ninjani?
Hayi ngiright mama, ngiright kakhulu.
Siyavuyisana nawe. Congratulations. Khawusibuyisele nje ngalamini bokwi-SAFTAs 19 xa bebiza igama lakho eqongeni uyokamkela i-award.
Obo moment wabudhi ngamanda. There was a vibration in the room. People were happy. I think outside of me being happy for myself, it's me seeing how everyone was happy for me. The applause, the vibration, the accolades. Yo, bendincumile. I was really happy. It was an exciting moment.
Uze watch into yokubana the room is high vibrational kwana wena. You are high vibrational. And siyaqonda into yokubana la moment ayivele nje ubhiyozelwe konye la moment. You know, it takes hard work ukusebenza nzima ukuzinikela kumsebenzi wakho.
100%.
Ungathi mhlawumbe ekujuleni kwenhliziyo yakho lempumelelo uthetha ntoni kuwe?
I'm gonna answer in English because obviously we've got umnqoza nomvenda.
Ungathetha ngesivenda sakho
Yes. Zwiamba uri it is possible. Zwiamba uri black child it is possible. Ngwana wa muvenda odzula hayani niyani hangeni where it is desertous, where we don't see a future. You know, where we think everything is so rural and we can't get to our dreams. This means to me that black childhood is possible. Venda childhood is possible for you to reach your dreams, for you to become the person that God intended you to be, for you to follow your dreams and achieve everything in your best might.
That is beautiful. And ngithanda kakhulu xa uthi usuka kwindawo apho kuzawuthiwa it's a dim world for you to shine. Kodwa kudim kunjalo kwaphuma into efana nawe ephumeleleyo. Siyaqonda ke ngoku into yokuba ngaba mhlawumbe le mbaso oyiphumeleleyo ibonakalisa ngakumbi umsebenzi wakho esingawuboniyo thina behind the scenes. Kuba thina nje sikubona nje kumabonakude sithi hey uyayibetha le nto uyayenza. Kodwa wena ngapha yana zikhona izinto odlula kuzo. Kodwa noba udlula kwezo zinto yasixela into yokubana xa use-TVini sinikele.
Yes, 100%. I think ukuthi the one thing about acting is that it's self-explanatory. The word is that you need to act. But I think also a very important part of uku actor is being believable. So regardless of whatever ozawuhlangana nayo, you need to know that you need to stay true to the story that you are telling. There's reasons to the stories that we tell. For example, with the story, this particular storyline, Eska Evelyn, you know, there was a lot of life lessons in which we had to learn, you know. And sometimes you find the story is actually coincidentally going with some of the things that you are going through. So you need to be able to find discernment, to be able to say, this now is Evelyn, and this now is Vele Manenje. You need to be able to have that wiseness enough to be able to separate the two so that you may be able to tell that story the way it's supposed to, you know. So there is a lot of things at the back of it that happen in which you find Uguti, they make the journey harder. But when as umdu, you need to know by, hey, you know what, I'm here for a reason. And it's, you know, it's short-lived because when you do a storyline, it's always a bracket of the storyline. So it's short-lived. And so in that entirety of it, in the short bracket, you need to make sure you reach where you're supposed to. And with this one, we reached the hearts.
And njengoba usisho into yokubana funeka ukwazi ukohlukanisa
Yes.
phambi kwakho
Yes.
no Evelyn.
Yes, yes.
And ndiyafuna uqonda into yokubana xa uza kumalungiselelo i-preparations
Yes.
ingaba kwenzeka ntoni izintoni oye uziprepare xa sizawujonga kakhulu emotionally and mentally to tap into fully in that character.
So with this particular storyline, Eska Evelyn, which is, you know, it trended for 2 weeks. I've never ever in my entire lifetime witnessed a story being received in this way, you know, and that should go to tell you the type of preparation that was done. You know, Kandi Prepara, I remember looking at the topic was consent. You know, that we wanted to teach South Africa about consent, not rape, consent. Oba, regardless of whatever we are talking about, or whether you take a girl home and when you get there, agasafuni. The moment she says, I'm no longer comfortable, that means uba miyeke ahambe because you don't have her consent. She could be your wife at home. If she says no, baba sundithinta, and vice versa. You need to be able to know how to stop because you don't have consent. You know, so first of all, with this particular one, I had to learn what consent is. You know, I had to learn what are we talking about when we're talking about consent so that I know how to deliver the story and the truthful of it. And then I did my research as to how many mothers, you know, as a mother, you need to know how heavy it is in South Africa to tell the story of a young man who is imprisoned because he didn't know what consent is. So I thought about it in its entirety. You know, there's a lot of women that wanted the best for their children, but every Sunday, bayo besuka. So, you know, the preparation had to be me jumping into this situation and knowing that I am now playing and representing every mother that had a bright future for their children, but it's sunk into higher walls, you know, and baya besuka instead of having the imiphumela that they needed from their kids. Yeah, and then also, sorry, not to cut you, but also in preparation in terms of just character work. So Kanfumani character, I always search the person. I always want to find out who is this person, how old are they, where do they come from, what is their nickname, what are their traumas, what hurts this person, what makes them happy, you know, what are their life lessons, what is it that keeps them going. With that being said, that helps you identify your character.
And iyabonakala lonto awuyo best nje lonto iyabonakala ngomsebenzi wakho and ndiyafuna because uthetha izinto ezibalike kakhulu kunjalo nje ndiyafuna into bana nababukeli abaphakela sevenda bakuve ndifuna uthetha ulwimi ubanyakazise bave into kubana thini ngowethu lo ndiyafuna vele into kubana sibuyele emva into kubana uze ube kanti uthi mna ndifuna ungena kubamona kude as an actress washukunyiswa intoni kwaye ndiyafuna nje into kubana wabelena ngamava wakho kuhambo lwakho njenge-actress.
Right, so ka chipida cha uri ndifeleledze ndi tshi khou vha actress wama mafhungo a uri tshikoloni tsha u thoma huna dzi play huna mitambo ya u actor hoba u tshi wanala zwa uri ndi nṋe muthu ane a khou bviseliwa phanḓa ndi nṋe muthu ane a ḓo guma hu no uri ndi nṋe actora khulwane kha mitambo ya hayani, kha mitambo ya kerekeni, kha mitambo ya tshikoloni. So ndi zwithu zwine na vhabebi vhanga vha ri vha tshi zwi sedza vha zwi vhona zwa uri hoyu muthu hoyunoni u na mpho yawe. Mathitshere anga from primary to u swikela kha secondary mathitshere anga o vha tshi ri a tshi mbona vha ri hoyu ṅwana u na vhukoni. So vha vha tshi kona u amba na vhabebi vhanga zwa uri make sure uri hoyu ṅwana hoyunoni ani muhangwe ende ni ite sure zwa uri u a bvelela kha hezwo zwithu zwawe zwa acting. Musapoteni a dzhene zwikolo zwa acting zwa drama zwa zwoṱhe hezwo zwithu zwine zwa ḓo mu thusa uri mini a vhe actora ine ya kona. Dzi agent dzi klasi dzine nda tea u ya khadzo hezwo zwithu zwo vhoniwa u bva kale ndi dzi kerekeni ndi tshikoloni ndi tshikoloni everywhere I went ho vha hu tshi pfhi mini she's got a gift. Na nṋe muṋe nda ndi tshi ḓi pfha zwa uri kharali ri huṅwe fhethu nda ndi tshi ḓi pfa nṋe muṋe zwa ndi khou ya ngo ima phanḓa ha vhathu it's either ndi performe you know I was very performative kha tshiṅwe na tshiṅwe my family gatherings ho vha hu nṋe muthu ane a ḓo performa kana nda dansa kana whatever so zwa zwi tshi vhonala zwa uri hoyu muthu inoni u khou tea u fhelela kha entertainment.
Hey, you were born a star
Yes.
kahle kahle.
Yeah, oh, thank you.
And ndiyayithanda le nto oyithethayo ingakumbi kwinkxaso othe wayifumana kubazali ecaweni zonke ezo zinto ezo and uyafumanisa into yokubana ubukhulu becala abanye babantu abayifumani loo nkxaso ingakumbi bazalini ufumanisa into yokubana umntwana nanku uyasibonisa isakhono sakhe kodwa ufumanise ukuthi hayi man indaba ye-acting ayinamali yekele ezo zinto okanye njengoba usitsho into yokubana ukhulele endawo esezilalini kuthiwa hayi bo wake wabona bani esenza loo nto utyhafiswe kubaluleke ngakanani into yokubana abazali banikeze inkxaso ebantwaneni babo kuba nanku lo ngumfanekiso ophilayo.
Okokuqala you know ndiyazipfesesa zwa uri babebi bashu they want the best for us. It's no lie that i-industry yethu is up and down. Right? It's no lie that there's no longevity here and there. It works for other people. You know, and so I know being a part of the vendor nation, I know that they're very strict nga education. They want the best for their children, which is very important for your parents to want the best. But I would say, Oba, if you see that your child is really talented, sometimes it takes a parent to believe in a child for them to be the star that they need to be. Because already you can see from home that this thing is embraced, this thing is loved. So ndingahura into this, and as you grow, you want to impress your parents. So you really can take it up step by step until you get to where you are getting to, you know. But in essence, I just think his support yenzuba umntana ekhanye more than the way that they would, you know, especially if you see that the child is a responsible child enough and they're willing to follow their steps, kakhle, you know. But in essence, I do actually understand what they're trying to do for us. And what I would say to that is that I support the notion of saying, get educated, make sure that, you know, your stuff is you are secured so that umawufika in the industry and if it doesn't work out, you've got a backup. I've got this degree, I've got that, you know, because in as much as we might all love it, it doesn't mean it's meant for all of us.
That's deep.
Yeah.
That is deep. And siyaqonda ukubana i-industry okuyo kunamahla ndenyuka kukhona ubunzima ingakumbi kumakhasi onxibelelwano siye sibabone nabanye bebelana nathi ngobunzima abadlula kubo and yafuna nje wabelena nathi ngemicelimngeni othe wabe kanti ujamelana nayo kwaye ungathi mhlambi kule micelimngeni what keeps you grounded or what kept you grounded uzawuthi kangoku?
You know what, I really don't want to lie when it comes to this. Nenditobori ndina swiri. Iswiri ndi inkani, nginenkani. Ayikho into ezongihlule ngakhulumi.
Yeah.
That's what I've told myself, and I will tell you this, there's so many ups and downs in the industry that we work in. It's either you get, you know, a break that is unnecessary, where you find you're not making enough money, or you know what I mean. So there's a lot of things, or sometimes it's just trends of ba thandeka bani, funeka bani, you know what I mean. But you know, I've just, the thing that has kept me grounded is knowing ubani ubani and knowing uri nendina bukoni honoswika guy and just believing in myself. And I think the biggest thing besides believing in myself is knowing who I am. I know the passion that I have, and I know the talent and how far it extends. I know that it's not in my mind. I'm not crazy. I have connected to a higher being of myself, and I've connected to God, and what God has sent me here to do is to heal and to dokotele.
It's your time to dokotele.
Yes, so this thing for me is more than just a craft, it is more of a calling, you know. So even when I feel like it's not working out, somehow God always has me in it. Do you understand? For example, if I'm not on screen, I'm directing. So one way or another, I'm in this thing and I'm in the pot belly of it, which means uba into yami lena. That has kept me going, knowing that this thing is my purpose, to
Yeah.
tell stories and to tell them authentically and beautifully until I die. When I think of myself, I'm like, I want to elongate it as long as you're Meritwalas.
Yeah.
Ndifuna uba the next generation of abo Meritwala. Yeah.
That you are. Le nto uzixelela uyiyo ngenene.
thank
And ndiyayithanda le nto itshoyo ngaphambi kokuba sikudedele ngenxa yexesha. Ndiyayithanda le nto itshoyo into yokuba ngaba elubizo lwakho olu ulisabele. Kunjalo nje nawe uyaziphilisa ngolubizo. Ungaziphilisi wedwa kodwa uphilisa nabanye abantu. Yiyo loo nto besisho into yokubana siyakuthanda vele, siyakulandela apho uya khona. Ufuna ukuthini kubo abantu oqondayo into yokubana ngamabali owabalisayo kumabonakude bathi uyasiphilisa siphila ngawo, usinikeza ithemba.
I'm going to make this generic and I'll say it in English so that the message reaches everyone.
The message.
We are in South Africa, which means we have 9 provinces. And what I've seen is that the love that I've received has come from all of those provinces. So I want to say to every black household out there that ndiyalibuwa. Ndiyalibuwa chilidzi na chilidzi na chilidzi kamwe na mwe wabewe anambona. Anybody who sees me befitting as a great actress, a storyteller, you know, someone that has brought life into characters that they love. I want to say thank you for accepting me into your homes, for allowing me to do what I do, and for allowing me to believe that what I do will reach your heart and speak to you and get the message delivered to you as beautifully and as honestly as it can be. I thank you, South Africa. I am very humbled. You know, when I think about it, even my heart, it beats faster. I get teary because I've gotten so much love, and that's a beautiful thing. Outside of anything else, let's say outside of that award that I get to keep, the love. The energy, the vibrant energy, the positive energy. South Africa saying, hey, here's a vendor girl we love. Here's a lady we've seen transform in front of our eyes. And Meganditi transform, I mean in all its entirety. They've watched me transform in my personal life. They've watched me transform as characters. And they still say, we see you very mkololo wa manenje. So ndine dimkololo wa manenje wa gono. Ndiyalibuwa South Africa, ndiyalibuwa Africa chipembe.
Ndoribuwa ngamanda. Enkosi kakhulu ngokuba usityelele apha eSABC Lihayi. Enkosi kakhulu ngothando lwakho kumsebenzi owenzayo. Anga uThixo namanyange angakunyusela phezulu, unganqandwa nditsho nazinkwenkwezi. Enkosi kakhulu.
Thank you so much, sis.
Right, mbukeli we-SABC Lihayi, saqhubeka ke nokuzingca kwaye kusithulela umnqwazi sifuyisana naye kaloku uvele ngalimpumelelo inkulu kangaka. Kwaye ke mbukeli uye wabe kanti uyasityelela apha eSABC Lihayi njengoko ephumelele imbasa ze-SAFTAs 19. Sawuhlabela mgama ke mbukeli ngovimba wethu.